Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to see how much time you have spent on Instagram. So let's start. First, open the Instagram app. Now go to your profile from bottom right corner. Now tap on the three bars on top right corner and tap on your activity. Here you will see a summary. If you tap on the day of the week, you'll see how much time you have spent on that day on Instagram. At the top, you will see the daily average time you spent on Instagram. Under the Manage Your Time option, you'll see Set Daily Reminder option and Notification Settings. If you tap on Set Daily Reminder, you have to select a time limit for how long you want to use the app. And the Instagram app will send you a reminder when you are crossing that limit. Now tap on Notification Settings. Under the Push Notifications, if you enable Pause All and select a time frame, you will not get any notifications for that time period. You can also fine-tune your notification settings according to your preferences. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.